An investigation into the firm which employed a German doctor who accidentally killed one of his patients has found it ignored several warnings. Daniel Ubani gave 70-year-old David Gray 10 times the usual dose of diamorphine. The report says a senior doctor had warned that it was only a matter of time before a patient died. Kitty Logan reports.
David Gray died within minutes when he was given 10 times the normal dose of the painkiller diamorphine. German doctor Daniel Ubani was working his first shift in the UK when he treated Mr. Gray. He'd only slept a few hours and his English was poor. And he later admitted he was unfamiliar with the drug he administered. In February, a coroner found Dr. Ubani guilty of gross negligence manslaughter. Now, a new report says the private firm Take Care Now, which employed Dr. Ubani, also failed on many levels.
This was an organisation providing out-of-hours services to a wide population with inadequate clinical governance systems, inadequate staffing levels and inadequate safety checks. It could have been seen as an organisation that was fundamentally unprepared and unable to provide high-quality out-of-hours services.
The report also highlights 2 previous incidents when patients received a dangerous overdose. It says there had been several warnings about poor standards within the company. The report concludes that in the case of Mr. Gray, the failure to identify and mitigate the risks reduced the chance of averting the tragic outcome. The findings will no doubt be welcomed by David Gray's sons, who've been campaigning for changes in out-of-hours care since their father died.
Systemic failures have been highlighted in the registration, vetting, induction, training and monitoring systems of private out-of-hours providers, PCTs and the GMC.
The hope is now that this report will prompt action to prevent a similar tragedy. Kitty Logan, Sky News.